Good morning, one and all present here. In this lecture video, I'm going to discuss something about the case study video on stock analysis. And currently, I'm handling neural networks and deep learning for third year A in for CSC department. So, in this video, we are just going to discuss how the stock analysis, how this neural network will help to predict the stock market. So let us discuss about these things. So here is the scenario. The scenario is nothing but they have given us a phase-based montage of stock charts, candlestick patterns, and trading flows. They are creating a scenario called "Can AI predict the stock market? Can neural networks outperform traditional methods in stock market analysis?" Say, for example, if you add some stock in the stock market, say for example Adani. So how the after 3 months, how the stock market will be, whether it is down or up. But with the help of this neural network, we can easily predict it. So normally stock markets are dynamic and which is not predictable, and it is influenced by countless factors. Traders and investors have long relied on technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and even intuition. By intuition itself, we can predict. But how this AI can have, with the help of this neural network, can provide better stock market prediction. So let us explore a case study that puts AI to the test. Normally, you know what is neural network? Neural networks are nothing but which will inspire the human brain, which have many types like single layer perceptron, multi-layer perceptron. And normally a structure of a neural network is nothing but we will have input layer. In the middle, we will do hidden layers. Hidden layers will be there, and from the hidden layers, we will have activation functions, and summation functions will be there. From the output of the summation and activation function, we will be passing those results to the output layer. So from the output layer, we will find the error, and if the error matches the target value, or the value which is equivalent to the target value, if such things happens, we won't do back propagation. If the error, if the value which comes from the output layer doesn't match the target value, so we can we will say it as an error, and then we will do a back propagation. So far what we have done is forward pass, and once error happens, we are just going back from the output layer to the input layer. So that process is called as the back propagation. So this is the sample, or this is the basic working of the neural network. So in this scenario, how this neural network will help for the stock market, and how it will match with the what will be the if, say for example, if we are setting some target, we will think like the stock within 3 months the stock will be increased or decreased. So what will be happen in 3 months, which can be predicted before itself with the help of the artificial intelligence technique. And you also know what neural network is nothing but the subset of artificial intelligence. With the help of the machine learning and deep learning algorithm, we can predict the stock market. So students are going to discuss about how this scenario can be suggested or worked out with the help of this neural network. So let us have the discussion of this scenario.
So, considering on the problem statement as they have chosen a stock market analysis in neural networks. So, in NNDL, the stock market analysis is consist of two analyses, which is based on one is a tradition and one is AI based. So, tradition based analysis is fully depends upon the stock charts and chart rating management. It all depends on it, and also it has some financial statements and moving averages. But comparing to the AI based analysis, it is full and full depend upon the neural networks, as we have taken the topic as neural networks, right? So considering that AI based analysis is fully completely based on the neural networks. So considering the stock market predictions by various fundamental and as well as technical events, like fundamental analysis is fully depend upon the company financial, as how the stock market is growing day by day. But while considering the traditional movement, it will be full and full is based on the past price movement before the stock market analysis. So we have some methods for having some limitations, which consider the human bias and difficult in handling various large data sets. So stock market analysis will be day by day increased. So based on the AI based analysis in neural networks, we can able to easily predict it. So considering that, this AI based analysis will be useful for predicting the stock market nowadays.
So in this, the next step will be data collection and pre-processing. So we need to train a neural network to with the historical price stock market. Okay. In this case study, we use data from sources like Yahoo Finance, covering stock prices, trading volumes, and technical indicators such as moving averages, RSI, and MACD. Data pre-processing is crucial. Missing values must be handled and features must be scaled to improve model performance. We need to handle the missing values, feature engineering, and the normalization.
Okay, the next step is neural network model architectures. For this case study, we are using the recurrent neural network, the RNN, and the specifically for the LSTM model. And these two models are used to, unlike the traditional feed forward networks, LSTMS are the designed to the recognize the patterns. It is used to recognize the patterns and as well as in the sequential data. In this market, the ideal for the stock prices are stock prices and the data. It's making them ideal for the stock prices. So the predictions of these models are takes in the historical price data, process it through the multiple layers of the stocks, and the predicts the next days choosing prices.
Okay, now let's see the training and performance evaluation of the stock market analysis. Once our neural network is built, we train it using historical data. Over multiple iterations, the model learns to minimize its prediction errors to rectify accuracy. After training, we test its accuracy using metric like a root mean square or ReLU, which is rectify logic unit, or R2 square. Here our result will be like our model effectively predicts the data using short-term prediction, and its movement will be very struggle with the market volatility.
So, is considering the considering testing parts and training, we will be see about the results and findings. So based on the testing part, the results are will be analysis, as I said from the first, like traditional and AI. So here also by analyzing the result, the two cases are traditional and one is AI. So in neural networks, traditional plays a major role when compared to the AI, because the stock market analysis it caused major results in neural networks, like identifying the patterns, trends, and clues. So these are the major issues and findings have been found. And in considered in the AI, it have both the highlight the strengths and highlight the weaknesses. The strengths are based upon detecting the trends and up to date stock market rate. And while considering the weakness, will be market the noise and unpredictable values. So considering that, results and findings have makes the stock market analysis easier to be understand in the neural networks.
So the next thing is real world application and the challenges we face. Many hedge funds and trading firms already use AI driven algorithms for trading. These systems analyze vast amount of data